Hey YouTube, I KO 124 handle. Got a 0G random booster in time box, so let's unbox it. Box is pretty small. Nothing goes inside the box. And here's everything else. Box isn't really that big. I think this might be Archer gargol. Archer gargol, you can tell by the track. And the tip was my flag. So here's gargol, Archer, and gargol. Pretty cool. Tattooed on face. Here's the stickers and the instruction sheet. So let me put this together. It looks difficult. Do I have a tool with me? There it is. Got it. Alright. So I think this is right. Archer gargol is assembled. Pretty cool, huh? So this is my first 0G. And it's Archer gargol, pretty cool. So expect battles to come up with this big. Comment, rate, and subscribe.